This same verse, Proverbs 15:4, we're going to read it in the Passion Translation. I love this. It says in the Passion Translation, this is how it reads: when you speak healing words, you offer others fruit from the tree of life. My God, are y'all seeing this? And then it goes on to say, but unhealthy negative words do nothing but crush their hopes. The words that you and I speak, they have power. They have creative power. They even have healing power. The words that we speak even have atmosphere changing power. Come on. Are you seeing this on today? Your words also have the power to destroy. Words have the power to create pain, to create fear. Now watch this. We see a clear example of this even here in our country, in our current political discourse here in the U.S. What I mean, we have one politician who for the last 8 years has been speaking gloom and doom over America. He's been telling people how horrible this country is, how the country is going to hell. Come on now. He even went as far as to call America a stupid country. He even said that other countries around the world no longer respect America. This is what this one politician has been speaking over this nation for the last 8 years. Come on now. But in all of that, yet he claims that he's the only one that can fix this. Okay? Are you seeing this? And so he's been speaking this stuff over the nation. And most people in the country didn't fully realize just how much his constant rhetoric, come on now, had polluted the national atmosphere and brought the country down. Come on now. Are you seeing this? Just brought people's spirit down. Even people that don't agree with him didn't realize the impact of all of his negativity. Come on now, how it had polluted the national atmosphere. Watch this. Until a new candidate emerged, my God, that began to speak words of hope. Come on now. Optimism. They began to speak words that created joy in people. Are you seeing this? And all of a sudden, people began to have hope and optimism, vision. Why? Very simple, because of some different words that began to be spoken over the national atmosphere. My God. Listen, Jesus said something very, very powerful about this. He's still using the metaphor of words being like fruit, but he's very specifically talking to leaders and people who have influence over others. Come on now. In Matthew chapter 12, verse 33 through 37, look at this. Jesus said, either make the tree good and its fruit good. I hope y'all see this. Or make the tree bad and its fruit bad, for the tree is known by its fruit. My God, are y'all catching this today? Verse 34, he says, you brood of vipers, how can you being evil speak what is good? For the mouth speaks out of that which fills the heart. My God. 35. The good man brings out of his good treasure what is good, and the evil man brings out of his evil treasure what is evil. But I tell you that every careless word, my God, are y'all seeing this? Every careless word that people speak, they shall give an accounting for it in the day of judgment. Verse 37, for by your words you will be justified, my God, and by your words you will be condemned. Come on now. Are y'all seeing this on today? God is serious about the words that we allow to come out of our mouths. God is serious about the words that we speak, especially those of us that have influence over other people. Come on now, because our words have the ability, come on now, to manifest death over people, or our words have the ability to create life over people and their situations.